Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's update our view on the euro currency. We see, guys, that yesterday market has continued move to the upside and has behaved as it should if it really intends to show some more action to the upside, because during the couple of previous trading sessions market has held above this swing high. That is what we would like to see from the bullish perspective, because we said that market should at least remain in this channel that is forming now on the 4-hour time frame. But currently we will take a bit wider view on the daily chart of the euro currency, because market is approaching to a very significant area. And if you have read our weekly analysis and you remember the chart of the weekly time frame, I will show you this, that chart that we have discussed in our weekly research. You will see that market now stands in the widening triangle, and that also could be called as the megaphone pattern, and depending on how market will behave in this area will tell us what to expect in the nearest future on the euro currency. Because if market will fail here, since you can see this fifth wave inside of this triangle, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, it's usually fifth wave is the resulting wave in any triangle, and if market will not reach the upper body of this pattern, fail here, turn to the downside, that will increase the probability of downward continuation, increase the probability of the appearing of the first butterfly that we have discussed yesterday here on the daily time frame to the downside, and also will open road for this butterfly. This will be significant. This is in fact the significant moment for the euro currency. If market will pass through this border, this would lead us to the 140, 143 area. It's right here. Now you understand why this area is very significant. Here you can see the same widening triangle, but with more details. And in shorter term perspective, since this is, as we said, fifth wave inside of this triangle, that area becomes very significant. As we said previously many times, euro currency likes to show 1618 extensions after hitting of the overbought condition before any significant retracement. For instance, you could see even on this chart that this has happened twice. First it has happened here, hit overbought, retracement, 1618 extension, then deep retracement or even reversal. Here, hit 618, hit overbought, retracement, 1618 extension. And I can't exclude that this could happen here again. Hit overbought, retracement, 1618 will stand here. That is approximately 133.35 area. Also take a look. Market has reached the monthly pivot resistance 1. This cluster of the resistance will be significant, and I think that particularly this level will determine what will happen. Either market will pass through it or will fail here. That's why I can't exclude that market still could continue today some more action to the upside or something, but market now is entering its very, if you could call it, responsible area. Also, another significant moment here is that market has erased our bearish stop grabber pattern on the weekly time frame by moving above this high right here, and I think that market has a lot of chances to close the week right above these highs. Market has erased the pattern that we have on the weekly time frame. That is also the bullish sign, but erasing of this pattern doesn't suggest that market will definitely pass through this border and continue move to the upside, because the target of another pattern that looks like the bullish engulfing here on the weekly time frame has the target inside of this triangle. So market could proceed slightly high, hit the minimum target of this bullish engulfing, and still fail. That is possible. That's why, as I said, it's very important to keep an eye on this area. Now I hope you understand why it's very interesting and useful to read the weekly research, because you could see the big picture, and you could take the different look at what is really going on the euro currency right now. Because if you just take a look at the daily time frame, it's choppy action with the swing up, swing down, swing up. Well, it's very difficult to make the total understanding what is going on, what could happen in the nearest future. But here we know that this could be probably a very significant area, slightly higher, slightly lower, but somewhere around 133.50 area. Because if market will pass through it and continue move to the upper body, it will be great probability that probably we will see the upward breakout and acceleration on the weekly time frame. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see some shorter perspective that shows on the reaching of this potential area. You can see that target of this butterfly is 1618 extension, coincides 133.34 area, coincides with the 1618 extension. Definitely speaking, in fact, this is the same butterfly as we have here. So on the 4-hour time frame, this extension just has the shape of the butterfly, and that is its ultimate target of the butterfly. So that is the reversal pattern. Well, that is even more significant, because appearing of the reversal pattern as the butterfly in this area, and if this butterfly will fail, that will tell us something, because usually when the butterfly fails, it fails miserably. It means that market could really continue significant move in the direction of the failure of the butterfly. In our case, this will be the move to the upside. And probably this area will be reached because market now stands above the 127 extension target, above these highs. Highs has been tested already after breakout. So the one road for the market now is probably to this area, and major changes could happen right after it. Maybe not on current week, but that really could be a significant area to watch for. On the hourly time frame, we did not see much, only that market still stands inside of the parallel channel. That is a necessary condition for just continue to count on the potential upward continuation, and that market holds above the previous swing high, above these highs, and it hasn't shown any deep retracement. So it's shown some ABCD action to the downside, but it's still, majorly, it has remained above these highs and continue move to the upside. That's why this is supports in general the bullish possibilities that both still could push market high. That is possible. So what we could do currently? Well, as yesterday, as I said, we do not have much possibility for trading, because market now stands at the monthly pivot resistance and the upper border of this consolidation. Probably the major steps we could make either only after market will show us and tell us what it intends to do after retesting of this 133.50 area right here. That's the first condition. Or if we will have some definite patterns on the intraday charts on the daily time frame. Currently I do not see any pattern. That's why the safer will be just to sit on the hands and wait what will happen, because I suspect that here will be the really drastic move, and just very strong action could happen despite what will happen here. Either market will move to the upside or it fail to the downside. If this will in any direction, we will get the opportunity to take the position, because I suspect that development will be very fast and furious. If market will jump up, you will have a lot of pretty of room to take the position before market will hit 140 or 143 area. If market will fail here, you will have a lot of room to take the short position, but that will be the position of the different kind. You will take the position in a quite more clearer setup on the market, rather than right now, because now is trying to catch the bull position right to this area. Well, it's very difficult task. It's very difficult to do this. Otherwise, take the short position here also is not quite reasonable, because the all trends are long here. Market know that they were bought. All that you have on the bearish sign is just the monthly pivot resistance one, but that is not sufficient context to my mind to take the short position, especially if you all see that market has shown pretty nice candle to the upside yesterday. So guys, I do not know, maybe you will find something to trade here, but my view on the current market is just to wait, because market is approaching, as I said, to a very significant area that could clarify the further development on the market in the medium term perspective. And I also suggest that you will, for those of you who do not read the weekly research, I think that you will do this, because as I said, that is really great assistance in dealing with the euro currency within the week. So let's see what will happen. We will definitely take a look again on the euro currency and the weekly research on the coming weekend. Maybe we will find something else to discuss. But currently, as I said, keep an eye on this area, because this will be a really crucial area for the euro currency.